Hey guys, Nick here from TSS Garage. Right here we have our AR630 pressure washer. We sell a ton of these pressure washers both by themselves and in packages. So we thought it made sense to make a little unboxing video just to show you exactly how it's going to arrive to your house, everything that's in the box. That way, when you get it, there's no confusion. You know exactly what you're supposed to get, and you can refer back to this video, if you lose anything or anything like that. So let's just pop it open, and I'll show you guys what's included in the box. We have a couple of our manuals. I'm just going to set everything out front. It's been a while since I've unboxed one of these. There we go. So you can see it comes overboxed. So this is the actual AR630 packaging. Okay. So you can see we have all of our miscellaneous stuff, power cords and things. So just grab the handle. Now this unit weighs like 60 or 70 pounds, so be careful when you're pulling everything out that you don't go dropping it or tipping it to the side or anything like that. Something that they did change, it used to not be this way, but now it's a proper 20 amp plug, so this one's horizontal. So just make sure you have compatibility on your outlet if you're going to be buying this unit. So we have our unit right here. We get these little caps that come on the inlet and the outlet. You probably don't need to hold on to those. The AR comes with this little garden hose quick disconnect. If you don't have any, if you bought our solution, you will have some. So you probably aren't going to end up using this. It's really not all that good even. This is the GHT fitting, so this will go on to your inlet. It adapts their threads to just a common GHT threads. You have your little tool, little pick tool there. And then you have your dipstick. Now it's important to note that you should replace this little red oil fill cap right here with this once you get your unit. And this will let you know that it's full of oil and all that. So there you go. That's everything that's included with the AR630. Whether you got it by itself or you got it in a kit, this is everything that should come with it. If you have any questions about this unit or solutions, let us know in the comments or reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.